Welcome to News Edge, your sharpest source for daily headlines and deep dives. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay ahead of the curve. The F-35 Lightning II isn't just a jet, it's a family, a cutting-edge fleet that represents the pinnacle of modern fighter technology. Each member of this family brings something unique to the table, but together they form a force that is reshaping the future of aerial combat. And among them, the F-35B stands out as its most versatile and adaptable member, designed to meet challenges that no other fighter can. The F-35B is a fifth-generation stealth fighter, loaded with cutting-edge tech and a unique ability, vertical takeoff and landing. This means it can launch and recover in places where traditional jets simply can't operate, giving it a tactical edge in unpredictable environments. This STOVL capability lets the F-35B operate from short runways, ship decks, or even damaged airfields, anywhere the fight demands. Whether it's a remote island, a makeshift landing zone, or the deck of an amphibious assault ship, the F-35B is ready to go where it's needed most. It's a leap in military aviation, blending stealth, supersonic speed, and agility with the world's most advanced sensors. The F-35B can evade enemy radar, outmaneuver threats, and strike with precision, all while staying virtually invisible to adversaries. The F-35B is a flying intelligence hub, able to strike targets and defend itself with precision. Its advanced sensor suite gathers and processes information in real time, giving pilots unmatched situational awareness and the ability to make split-second decisions. Designed for the toughest missions, it can slip into enemy airspace, see without being seen, and get out fast. Its stealth profile and electronic warfare capabilities make it a nightmare for enemy defenses, allowing it to operate deep behind enemy lines. As a true multi-role fighter, it handles air combat, ground strikes, reconnaissance, and support missions with equal skill, and electronic warfare, all in one mission. The F-35B can jam enemy radar, disrupt communications, and protect itself and allied forces from electronic threats. This flexibility is why it's prized by the U.S. Marine Corps and allied navies. It gives them the power to respond rapidly to crises, project force from the sea, and support ground operations anywhere in the world. Building the F-35B was a massive engineering challenge, with delays and technical hurdles along the way. Engineers had to invent new materials, develop complex flight control systems, and ensure the jet could withstand the rigors of vertical flight. But the result is a machine that's part jet, part hovering gunship, and part data center. It can hover like a helicopter, unleash firepower like a fighter, and process information like a supercomputer, all at once. The F-35B is among the most complex machines ever built. Its systems are interconnected, requiring constant maintenance and expert handling, but delivering unmatched performance in return. It's not just about speed anymore, it's about information dominance. The F-35B's digital cockpit and data links turn the pilot into a battlefield commander, able to coordinate with other assets in real time. The F-35B sees threats before they see it, sharing data with forces on land, in the air, and at sea. This networked approach multiplies the effectiveness of every unit on the battlefield. It acts as a force multiplier, connecting sea, land, and air forces into a single, unified fighting team. Acting as a quarterback in the sky, it directs the battle and gives commanders new options. The F-35B's ability to coordinate complex operations makes it invaluable in modern warfare. Its ability to operate from almost anywhere changes how militaries project power. No longer limited by traditional runways, the F-35B brings air superiority to places once thought unreachable. The F-35B has redefined modern air operations. It's not just a new jet, it's a new way of thinking about air power and military strategy. It's a symbol of human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of air superiority. Every mission it flies pushes the boundaries of what's possible in the sky. Understanding the F-35B is understanding the future of air warfare. It's a glimpse into the next generation of combat, where technology, speed, and adaptability decide the outcome. This is the aircraft that's changing the rules of the game, redefining what it means to control the skies, and setting the standard for decades to come. How does a 32,000-pound jet hover like a helicopter? It seems almost impossible. Yet the F-35B makes it look effortless, defying gravity with cutting-edge technology and engineering. The answer is a symphony of moving parts and raw power, all working in perfect harmony. Every component is meticulously designed to handle the intense forces at play. With just the press of a button, the F-35B transforms from a supersonic jet into a hovering marvel, switching seamlessly into vertical lift mode in seconds. The engine nozzle swivels downward, redirecting the jet's powerful thrust, while a massive lift fan rises from the fuselage, channeling air straight down to create lift. This ingenious system lets the F-35B leap from short ship decks or battered runways. No catapults or long runways needed, giving it unmatched flexibility. For vertical landings, the pilot hovers and descends with computer-assisted precision, allowing pinpoint control even in challenging conditions. The patented shaft-driven lift fan system balances thrust between the front and rear, while wing ducts provide extra stability, ensuring safe and steady flight. Advanced onboard computers constantly adjust power and control surfaces, keeping the jet perfectly level, even when buffeted by strong crosswinds or turbulent weather. This vertical lift system untethers air power from big, vulnerable air bases, allowing operations from remote or improvised locations anywhere in the world. Even if runways are destroyed, F-35Bs can launch from highways or forward bases, staying in the fight and maintaining air superiority when it matters most. It's a true game-changer for marine operations from sea or shore, giving forces the ability to strike, land, and take off wherever the mission demands. At the heart of the F-35B is the Pratt & Whitney F-135, the world's most powerful fighter engine. It delivers over 40,000 pounds of thrust, pushing the jet to Mach 1.6 and beyond. For vertical flight, the F-135's three-bearing swivel duct nozzle pivots downward, directing exhaust for lift. This joint endures extreme heat and pressure, yet moves with precision. The engine's full-authority digital engine control, FADEC, acts as its brain, making constant micro-adjustments for safety and performance. During hover, FADEC and flight computers work together for perfect control. The F-135 is modular for easier maintenance, with diagnostics to predict issues before they ground the jet. It's the muscle and intelligence behind the F-35B's unique abilities. Powering a stealth fighter that hovers is no small feat, and the F-135 delivers. The Rolls-Royce lift system is what lets the F-35B defy gravity. Its two-stage lift fan, just behind the pilot, blasts cool air down for front-end lift. Powered by a drive shaft from the main engine, the fan engages only when needed, no extra engine required. Two roll posts in the wings vent air for side-to-side balance. The main nozzle, lift fan, and roll posts create a stable, four-point thrust system. Advanced flight software coordinates it all, letting the pilot focus on flying, not physics. The result, a seamless transition from jet to hover, routine for the pilot but a marvel of engineering. This integration of hardware and software makes vertical flight possible and reliable. The F-35's stealth isn't just a feature, it's a philosophy. Every angle, seam, and surface is designed to scatter radar waves, shrinking its radar cross-section to the size of a golf ball. The jet's smooth, blended shape and aligned edges deflect radar energy away from enemy receivers. Weapons and fuel are hidden inside, and the cockpit canopy is coated to block radar reflections. Even the engine intake curves to hide reflective fan blades. Panel gaps are sealed with extreme precision, eliminating radar hotspots. The result, the F-35 can slip deep into enemy territory, unseen. Stealth isn't just about shape, it's about every detail working together. This meticulous design gives pilots a decisive edge. The F-35's stealth is what lets it strike first and survive. Stealth is as much about materials as it is about shape. The F-35B's skin uses advanced composites and radar-absorbent material, RAM, to soak up radar energy. Carbon fiber composites make the jet lighter and stronger, crucial for vertical lift. These materials resist fatigue and corrosion, extending the jet's life and reducing maintenance. Manufacturing is high-tech. Carbon fiber layers are fused in giant autoclaves, and RAM is applied with robotic precision. The result is a tough, lightweight, and nearly invisible airframe. This combination lets the F-35B see first, shoot first, and disappear. Older jets can't match this survivability. The F-35B's materials are as advanced as its mission. The F-35B's true superpower is its brain, a sophisticated network of sensors and computers working together seamlessly. This digital nervous system constantly gathers, processes, and shares information. giving the pilot an unprecedented level of awareness and control. Its AESA radar is a technological marvel, able to track multiple targets in the air and on the ground at once. By steering its beam electronically, it operates with incredible speed and stealth, making it difficult for enemies to detect or jam. The Electro-Optical Targeting System, or EOTS, acts like a long-range passive sniper scope. It can find and track targets from far away, all without giving away the jet's position, crucial for staying hidden in hostile environments. The Distributed Aperture System, or DAS, uses 6 infrared cameras to give the pilot a seamless 360-degree real-time view of the world outside, even allowing them to see through the cockpit floor. This level of visibility is unmatched in any other fighter. DAS also acts as an early warning system, detecting missile launches from miles away and providing instant alerts. This gives the pilot precious seconds to react and evade threats. All this sensor data is fused and displayed in a simple, intuitive way. The pilot can instantly see threats, friendlies, and mission objectives at a glance, reducing confusion and information overload. This information dominance transforms the pilot into a true battlespace manager, not just a flyer. They can coordinate with other assets, direct missions, and make split-second decisions with confidence. The F-35B's advanced sensors make it the eyes and ears of the modern battlefield, gathering and sharing critical information with allies in real time. It's not just a jet, it's a flying command center, reshaping how air power is used in the 21st century. Stealth means nothing without firepower. The F-35B carries missiles and bombs internally to stay invisible, or loads up externally in beast mode when stealth isn't needed. It can launch AMRAAM air-to-air missiles, GPS-guided bombs, or smaller precision munitions. For close combat, it mounts a 25mm gun pod, removable to keep its stealth profile. The jet's sensors and weapons work together, find, fix, and finish targets with pinpoint accuracy. Whether striking deep or supporting troops, the F-35B adapts to any mission. Its arsenal, combined with stealth and sensors, makes it a feared adversary. The F-35B is as lethal as it is elusive. The F-35B isn't just a jet, it's a strategic revolution. Its stealth, sensors, and vertical lift give commanders options never seen before. For the Marines, it turns amphibious ships into light carriers, bringing air power anywhere, anytime. This boosts rapid response and deterrence, letting forces dominate from sea or shore. Allies like the UK and Japan use the F-35B for the same reason: unmatched flexibility. Its STOVL ability means it can operate from hidden or damaged bases, surviving attacks that would ground other jets. This distributed aviation operations concept keeps air power in the fight, even under threat. The F-35B's data sharing makes every Allied platform more effective. It's not just an upgrade, it's a leap into information-age warfare. For those who fly and field it, the F-35B is a critical tool for security in a dangerous world.